nice white nightstand until I give her gas where it's nothing but the white meat. ETIH, double D's on her knees. Whitey gargle yellow fucking bumblebees. Use Whitey as my dinner course for intercourse. So much fucking white make Darth Vader have a thinner force. But of course I'm the white boy that shows no remorse. Pull up on a Stark with enough white to kill a horse. Black Friday, fuck a nigga Friday. Wolf gang make a pregnant white bitch want a port. Bring the remaining red and white pieces to the fort. I picture their wolves bang where a couple bears hang. All white box logo with a couple things. From the black and white grill pie make it light gray. Oh wow, oblivion stuff. I do not know how that dead body got inside of my trunk. What the fuck, G Willikers, and no I'm not drunk. I could have sworn that Budweiser can red fruit punch that you sip casually when you're trying to lose calories. I'm not a murderer. This occurrence that is happening is sporadically damaging my reputation. See, I'm a good guy, but when I see dead casualties, my penis gets erected and nipples are such aroused, and the blouses of these bitches always end up in my house. And 3 hours in the shower with the cords. I've ejaculated enough semen to sink a boat, but Riley's body's entirely covered and tied up for my desire. Now look at the fucking irony. I killed my manager with an iron, all because the bitch finally decided to fire me. Back at Travis' house, even though that faggot admires me. All because I heard that he was talking to Danielle. So now that I finally made that backhand handheld, he can finally tell me masturbating me fan mail. First letter says, motherfucker, you're dead. The King Comedy heard everything that you said. And just in time, your head is mine. You crossed the fucking line like the dirty Mexican. Second letter read, hey son, it's me. Fuck you, I was such a
damn.
Third letter quotes, hey Ace, I'm addicted to coke. Wanna ask how I've been so? I make songs about shit for attention, but then I randomly hoping that I get so.
I got problems in my head. Fuck.
I'm saving up 24 bullets with guns because I got no big guns that I cannot let out. Hopefully your next album can help me out, because I'm now living this life with foolproof doubt. So I just need someone to talk to. It kind of rush, but nobody gives a fuck. Fuck it. Signed
Anonymous. I can't see this shit.
Now, if any of you sons of bitches got anything else to say, now's the fucking time!
You know, at times I want to be real positive. When I feel real negative, you know. And I just want to be on the grind. I am on the grind. What the fuck you doing? Is it difficult to ship a boat? Is it ship a boat? Bringing in shipments, our future equipment. Check my statistics, wipe off your lipstick. Lips around this dick. Money make all the hoes swallow, and money move the crowd and make the crowd follow. Money translates from English to Tagalog. Strutting life's runway, you coked up model. Niggas like flossing until they floss ya. Busy eating, got you feeling burrito with salsa. The problem that I have with me is me. Where I go, I'm being watched, Channel Disney. Boomerang motive of a frisbee. Once he gone, he ain't coming back, is he? Nah.
Nigga, that's art, nigga. Right there, look at that shit. Bang, boogity, 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 bang, bang.
I get to the point, absolutely pissed. Cut you off like a hand, absolutely miss. Can't shake it, the pain.